starting to look good. Why Siege X don't look like this? The Siege X shit be small as fuck in the corner, but this shit is show the whole thing. That's crazy. Oh shit, they're behind me. What's up? Wait. What's up? How do I get it unlocked? Bro, you can't even really play this game, bro, because you gotta worry about zombies 24/7, bro. What is this, bro? Where the instructions at? Like, god damn. Get the special box of chocolates for his mom. Get the clarity tape for Gazi. Okay, so how do I enter this building though? Oh shit. I think I need lockpicks. Where do I get lockpicks from?
I just wanna kick my feet up. I hit the plug up for the re-up. Spanish bitch, her name Maria. She wanna be Mama Cedar. She wanna fuck with the gang. She wanna fuck with the crew. She wanna fuck with the gang. She wanna fuck with the crew. I got this ice in my body like I'm playing hockey. Take over the world, nobody gon' stop me. Stay with my Glock, nobody gon' rob me. Hey, I catch your body for a hobby. I don't give a fuck if it ain't about the money. I get high at night, I get high in the morning. Shawty a stallion, I think she say her name was Lauren. I'm ballin' on niggas, I feel like Jordan. I ain't talking about points every day, I be scoring. The sticks with me every time that I'm touring. I just wanna keep my feet up. Hit the plug up for the re-up. Spanish girl named Maria. Wanna be my Mama Cedar. She wanna fuck with the gang. She wanna fuck with the crew.
Get off! You piece of shit! Hands off me!
Kicking the shit out this bitch. Come here. Off the block, man. Get the fuck off the block, man. Metal parts, let's go. Fucking metal parts, nigga. I need. Oh, where do some money. Oh, man. Yo, is that home base right there? I think it is. Yeah, that's a home base right there. Yeah, it is. I didn't land on the trash? I didn't land on the trash? Yo, this shit retarded, bruh. There we go. Fucking place I landed at before. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Look at him, look at him. He's stuck, his bitch ass.
I just wanna kick my feet up. I hit the plug up for the re-up. Spanish bitch, her name Maria. She wanna be Mamacita. She wanna fuck with the gang. She wanna fuck with the crew. She wanna fuck with the gang. She wanna fuck with the crew.
He fucked me up. He fucked me up. How? Yo, why do I feel like this is the original safe spot? That'll be us. What? Here we go. I need a lockpick, my boy. I need a med kit too. I'll take that med kit. Nah, that's why you keep that, my boy. I'm already speaked up.
It's really mad.
Alright, YouTube, that's the end of this video, bro. I'm fucking tired. I broke the fucking lockpicks, so now I have to run all the way back to Quartermaster and get lockpicks, which I'm not about to do, bro. I'm not about to run all the way back to Quartermaster just to get lockpicks, my nigga. They need to make it better. This is 10 years. I mean, I understand that this game was 10 years ago, but make it better. This is stupid. Why do I have to go so far to get an item? Now I have to run 10 minutes, 10 real life minutes, not video game minutes. I have to run 10 real life minutes back to the Quartermaster to get one lockpick because they only give you one. I'm not doing that. So that's the end of this motherfucking gameplay. This is episode 1. We gonna see how episode 2 go, goddammit. I'm out. Peace.
I just wanna kick my feet up. I hit the plug up for the real. Spanish bitch, her name Maria. She wanna be Mama Cedar. She wanna fuck with the gang. She wanna fuck with the crew. She wanna fuck with the gang. She wanna fuck with the crew.